Hello, welcome. Today we are going to work on radical equation and we are going to solve together step by step. We have 4 good questions. Let us start with question number 1. We have cube root of 11 minus p out of 3. This is equal to 2. We are supposed to solve for p. So first, we are going to get rid of the cube root. We are going to cube both sides. We can cancel the cube root. That is going to be 11 minus p out of 3. This is equal to 2 cube, the same as 8. That is, I'm going to take 8 to the left hand side and minus p out of 3 to the right hand side. It is going to be positive. That is 11 minus 8. This is equal to p out of 3. 11 take away 8. It is 3. This is equal to p over 3. I'm going to multiply by 3 throughout. I'll multiply by 3. I'll multiply by 3. By 3, 1. By 3, I get 1. P, this is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. We are going to get 9. Let us do question number 2. We have fifth root of 32 power x is equal to 8. We need to solve for x. Let us express everything in the base of 2. We know that nth root of a, this is equal to a power 1 over any. I'm going to use this here. That is going to be 32 power x power 1 over 5. This is equal to 8 is the same as 2 power 3. But 32 also is the same as 2 power 5. That is 2 power 5 power x power 1 over 5. This is equal to 2 power 3. I'm going to multiply the power. That is going to be 2 power 5x power 1 over 5. This is equal to 2 power 3. 2 power 5x multiplied by 1 over 5. This is equal to 2 power 3. I can simplify on the power by 5, 1, by 5, 1. That is 2 power x. This is equal to 2 power 3. We know that if we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If the base are equal, the power are equal. So we have base 2, we have base 2, so x is equal to 3. Let us do question number 3. We have cube root of 27 power x plus 1. This is equal to 81. First, I'm going to put 27 and 81 to the base of 3. And also, I'm going to get rid of this cube root. We know that nth root of a, this is equal to a power 1 over any. I'm going to apply this here. That is 27 power x plus 1. All this power 1 over 3. This is equal to 81 is the same as 3 power 4. 27 is the same as 3 power 3. That is 3 power 3 in the bracket x plus 1 power 1 over 3. This is equal to 3 power 4. I'm going to multiply the power in. That is going to be 3 power 3 multiplied by, in the bracket, x plus 1 multiplied by 1 over 3. This is equal to 3 power 4. In the power, I can simplify by 3, 1, by 3, 1. I'm going to remain with 3 power x plus 1. This is equal to 3 power 4. We know that if we have a power b, this is equal to a power c. If we have the same base, the power are equal. Now b is equal to c. We have the same base of 3. Now x plus 1 is equal to 4. X plus 1, this is equal to 4. Take 1 to the right hand side. We are going to get x is equal to 4 minus 1. We got x is equal to 3. I hope you understand the question that we have done together. Let me leave with you with question number 4. You can comment your answer to the comment section below. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.